Okay, so the first question was to write down draw the transition states and intermediates wherever that is applicable for SN1 and SN2 reactions, right? So for SN2 it is very clear because there is no intermediates, there is only one transition state that we have to draw, right, within these brackets. So it is about 5 coordinate as it is shown, and the bond forming and the bond breaking is simultaneous, right? So just you have to draw this one, right? But for SN1 reaction, right, you have, this is the trickiest part, right? For SN1 reaction you have two transition states and one intermediate, right? So carbocation intermediate, so that you have to draw, and they have to draw two transition states. The first one is the bond breaking process, right? When the bond is being broken, the leaving group is leaving to form the carbocation, right? And the second transition state is when the nucleophile is forming the bond with the carbocation, right? Now if you have seen the video, there is a third state also, third transition state, but that's not general, that's specifically for neutral nucleophiles, right? For if the nucleophile itself is negatively charged, then SN1 reaction will be only of two steps, right? And there will be two transition states. So for the first question you have to draw these four structures to get full credits, that means full marks. Okay, so 3 for SN1 and 1 for SN2. The next question was the free energy diagram. Is pretty easy and most of you have done it correctly. The only thing you have to remember is to label it, right? So here you have to label it saying that it is the reactants, so it is the substrate plus the nucleophile, and here it is the product plus the leaving group, and at the humps you have to mention the TS1 and TS2 along with their structures, okay? And here at the valley it is the intermediate, the carbocation intermediate. Okay, so this is the two-step mechanism. Two humps indicates two steps and one intermediate, and one that I have shown in the example, that is of the tertiary butyl chloride with water, that has a third hump, but that third hump again I am mentioning because that is a special case when the nucleophile itself is neutral. When the nucleophile itself is charged, negatively charged, then you will not need the third step. So drawing these two humps is sufficient for your this question, right? And for the SN2 there is only a single hub reaction, so it is bimolecular and a single step reaction, so there is no intermediate, only the transition state, okay? And similarly you have to label it here for the products, for the reactants, and here for the products. And also be sure to mark the axis, right? The y-axis is free energy and the x-axis is reaction coordinate. Do not forget to mark it, right, to get the full marks or full credits, whatever you have to mark these things. And the third mechanism was specifically told that write the mechanism for the reaction of tertiary butyl chloride with water. Now as it was mentioned water, you have to draw this third step, right, because in the second step you get a charged species, so it is a protonated alcohol. For this you have to draw the mechanism of the third step and also mention that this is a SN1 mechanism, right? Just mention it doing these three steps, right? So and all you have to mention this slow, and this is of course the rate determining step, write it, and that's it. If in place of water, if it was say it was given hydroxide ion, then only two step was enough, right? But as it is mentioned water, then you have to show the third step also. Okay. And for the fourth reaction, for the first part you have to mention that it is aromatic electrophilic substitution, and the mechanism is shown like this, right? the first two steps is the generation of the nitronium ion, and the next two steps is the formation of the uranium ion and abstraction of the proton. Now, whenever you draw this uranium ion, you have to draw these resonance stabilized forms also, right? This is included. I mean, this is understood that any candidate should draw these three structures for stabilization purpose. Okay.